Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Hyper Bullet Chess. This exciting variant gives each player 30 seconds or even less for the entire game. Your primary objective is to secure a win by checkmating your opponent, forcing a resignation, or simply running down their clock. Success in Hyper Bullet hinges on making incredibly quick decisions and mastering the art of pre-moving. It's a thrilling test of speed and intuition, demanding constant attention to both the board and the clock. In the opening and early game, simplicity is your best friend. Stick to well-known openings that allow for quick and safe piece development. Avoid any complex lines that demand extensive calculation, as you simply won't have the time. Your main priorities should be establishing strong central control and getting your pieces into active positions as rapidly as possible. Remember, every second counts, so efficiency is key from the very first move. Effective time management is paramount in Hyper Bullet. Master the art of pre-moving, especially in force sequences or when making simple captures. Always be on the lookout for straightforward tactical opportunities such as forks, pins, and skewers, as these can quickly decide the game. If your clock is running low, shift your focus to making legal moves as rapidly as you can, aiming to flag your opponent before they can react. Speed often trumps perfect play here. Consistent practice is absolutely crucial for improving your Hyper Bullet skills. The more you play, the better your reaction time and pattern recognition will become. It's also vital to maintain a calm and focused mindset, even when facing immense time pressure. After your games, take a moment to analyze them. Identify any common mistakes you made and pinpoint areas where you can improve, helping you refine your strategy for future matches.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.